How to mirror objects in Blender. First of all, select the object you want to mirror by right-clicking or left-clicking depending on your setup. Once the object is selected, go to the Modifier tab on the right-hand side, which looks like a little wrench icon. Next, click on Add Modifier and choose the Mirror modifier from the list. This will immediately create a mirrored version of your object along the x-axis by default. If you want to change the axis, you can check or uncheck the X, Y, or Z option in the modifier panel depending on which direction you want the mirroring to happen. You can also enable clipping in the mirror modifier. This makes sure the two halves stay connected along the mirror axis, preventing any gaps or overlaps when you move vertices close to the center. This is especially useful when you are modeling characters or other symmetrical shapes. And that's it. Now you know how to mirror objects in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.